Hello, friends. This is Mrs. Sheehan, and I wanted to send you a lesson about perspective and perspective taking. Now, this is important because perspective is the way that we understand and view things in our world based on what we already know and where we are in our world. So, I'm going to hold up for you this apple that I was going to eat for breakfast. And as you can see, it looks like a beautiful, wonderful apple. And from your perspective, it probably looks like it's a whole apple right now. But from my perspective, it looks like it was so good that I've already bitten into it. So, based on what you could see from the first time, it looks like a whole apple. But when we get more information or we see it from another person's point of view, we might have a different perspective on something that we see or a different take on what we see. So, I have a couple of perspective taking images that I want you to look at and just kind of get a sense of how this might work and why it's important to be able to understand what our own perspective is and why we might want to think about what somebody else's perspective is as well. So here's a picture, and I want you to think of what number you see when you look at this picture. So think about it for a moment. I'm not going to say anything. Now, here's a full picture of the whole cartoon that has that number in it. And you can see that there's one person who's saying that there are six, that they're seeing six, and one person that's saying that they're seeing nine. So when you look at that picture, you can understand how if you stood on one side of it or the other, it might look like a different number to you. Maybe you thought, I see both numbers when you looked at it. And that's cool too, because we want to be able to consider multiple things at the same time. We want to think about maybe what somebody else might see and what we see. And that's how we come up with some really good opinions about things. Now take a look at this one. This one's funny. I'm going to ask you what direction you think the man's face is facing. I wonder which one you saw first. When I first look at it, I see the man's face facing towards me. But when I took a second and I looked over at his nose and I thought about it facing the right side of the screen, then I saw his whole face facing a different way. It's funny how our brains work like that too. Okay, so what do we see in this picture? This is a classic one. This one's really old. And this is one that I might have seen when I was in school and was learning about perspective taking. But what do you see when you look at this picture? I wish I could hear what your answers were. But does anyone see a young lady maybe looking away like this? Oh, let me go this way. Or maybe an older lady who's looking down like this. So you can see the young girl, her nose might be pointing this way. And the older lady, her mouth might be pointing down this way. And that big thing of hair turns into her nose instead of a chin there. See that? So when we ask our brain to look at things in a different way, we start to see things that are a little bit different. And that's part of learning and growing. Sometimes what we see right at the beginning is not how we're going to think about something forever. And it's good to find out what other people think about when they see. Because maybe when you first looked at that picture, you saw one or the other of the images, but then when I asked you to look for the other one, maybe your brain kind of took its time and saw a different image than what it originally had thought it seen. Another picture here is what animal do you see in this one? Now, I'd like to hear if you come up with a different animal and how you see it, but there's two animals that are usually brought up for this picture. And one could be that they see a duck when they look at it. Does anyone see a duck with the bill right here and the eye here looking towards this way? Sorry, my camera goes the opposite way than I do. Going this way. Or do you maybe see something different, like a rabbit? And that could be looking towards this way. So the rabbit's eyes and nose go this way, and then its ears come back up this way. Do you see that? Now I wonder, why am I doing this? Why am I talking to you about perspective? Do you ever have conversations with someone or have an experience with someone and they might have something completely different going on for them than you do. Like maybe your mood feels one way and their mood seems to feel a different way, or they're happy and you're sad, or the opposite. Maybe you're excited and happy and it seems like maybe they're nervous and upset. There's lots of different reasons why people feel differently about the same things going on. And some of that has to do with our perspective and what we're thinking. So, the most important thing to do when we're having different perspectives about something is to be able to, just like we did with these pictures, kind of think about where that other person is coming from, what they're seeing, what they're thinking, what they're experiencing. And when we have those kinds of conversations, then things can go a little bit better because then we understand more about what that person is experiencing. I hope this is helpful to you all. I'd love to hear some of the things that you saw in the different pictures, or if you were able to have a different experience with something where you took a perspective on something, if you want to share that back at us, that's awesome too. I'll talk to you soon. Take care.